Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect TP-Link Deco to Xfinity bridge mode. So all you need to do is follow these simple steps. So first, install the Deco app, download and open the TP-Link Deco app on your phone, power on the main Deco unit, plug the main Deco into power and wait until the LED starts blinking, this one, and then log into your Xfinity gateway, connect the Xfinity network, open a browser and go to HTTP 10.0.0.1. Just copy this one or just type it, and then log into the gateway admin panel, enable bridge mode, go to gateway at a glance, find bridge mode, click enable and confirm, wait for the gateway to reboot, and then the fifth step is to connect Deco to the Xfinity gateway. Use an Ethernet cable, plug one end into the Xfinity gateway LAN port, and then plug the other end into the main Deco 1 LAN port, and then finish setup in the Deco app. Open the Deco app, follow the setup instructions, and keep router mode enabled. And then add additional Deco units, place the other Deco nodes around your home, add them through the Deco app to create the mesh network. And the final step is connect your device to Deco Wi-Fi. Use the new Deco Wi-Fi network name created during setup, and the network layout will be Xfinity Gateway Bridge Mode to main Deco and then to other Deco units, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.